Hi everyone, welcome back to another slightly shorter Thank Truck It's Friday. Hi guys, Sam with the Cuda team here, and this is going to be a slightly shorter video today, but we are going to show you an unboxing, and it's going to be for something that we've recently added to our repertoire. What we have for you today is the Brodit ProClips. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Brodit, they are one of the leading manufacturers of solutions for mounting either your phone or your tablet, or pretty much anything that you can mount to the dash of whatever vehicle you've got. In the instance of us and with you guys, it's probably going to be your cab. Brodit do all kinds of these types of mounts, whether they be one that's centered for the dashboard itself or it angles outwards. They are available for a number of different cabs and a number of different vehicles. There's actually going to be too many for me to mention, so if we have it on our website, you will see it on screen here. So everything that we've got available that you can purchase is available on screen. These are very rugged. They are metal in the hand. I am going to open one up shortly. You can tell that this is going to keep pretty much everything in place there. There's a couple of different variants here. There is the standard ProClip, but then you also have the extra strength ProClip, which you can also add depending on the certain types of models that are available. So let's get some out of the bags. I'm going to show you one of the regular ProClip for MAN cabs, specifically in this instance for the TGX 20 to 2026 models. This is the standard ProClip, and every packet comes with instructions on how to attach the clip itself to the dash, so absolutely no issues with getting it attached. They're fairly simple, they don't really require any additional tools, and they're designed to fit within the grills of the actual cab itself. And when you take out the clip, the ProClips themselves, you have this thing here which will hold the clip in place, and you have the bracket. So there are those two. It also comes with an alcohol pad to make sure that it's all clean once you have installed everything in the cab. You have a set of 2 installation screws with an Allen key. So they come included with the clip itself, and of course it comes with a set of instructions to help you through actually installing it. Although again, it's designed to be fairly simple. It includes images as well to make it dead easy for you to actually install the clip, but they are included with written instructions too. Perhaps hard to see on camera, but they are made of very high quality plastic on this bracket part here, and this part is made of metal, so you should find that this is not going to go anywhere once it's attached. As you can see, it's fairly compact as well, so this is one that you'll find it's going to attach to the center mount. That one is for the MAN TGS and TGX 2020 to 2026 cabs, but there are also ones for the other cabs as mentioned, and we're going to open up the one I showed you previously, which is the Actros 5 cab for 2020 to 2025 or 26. Again, let's unbox this and I'll show you everything that's inside. And this is the extra strength version. So this is going to be quite a bit bigger, but if you feel like you need the extra strength on the actual clip itself, if perhaps you find that it can occasionally be a bit wobbly, or you want to give it just a little bit more stability, then this will do the trick for you. Very similar to the MAN. This one comes as one unit, so as you can see, it already comes attached as part of one unit, which should then go straight onto the cab itself. And what this will do is attach to the top of your dash, and then once it's there, you can pretty much just put anything you want in on this side. There's 4 screws at the top there, as you should hopefully be able to see. 4 holes there, 4 screws that allow you to put pretty much any kind of attachment in there. Likewise, this also comes with a bracket which will go over the top of there, so that will essentially help keep that in place. And of course you get the alcohol gel pad as well for that. And it includes the Allen key, the screw, and the other assortments to make sure that it all stays in place, the gear wheel for example, and that all comes as part of a singular package. And like the smaller ProClip with the MAN that we showed you a moment ago, it does come with a full set of instructions to make it dead easy for you to attach to the dashboard itself. Now it's worth mentioning that this is the mounting solution onto the actual cab itself. If you're looking for the mount for your device, which should be fairly easy to get hold of, it does work with third-party solutions, and as I said, because it has the full screws, it's relatively easy to fit and include whichever solution for your device that you want to add to this. It doesn't come with this kit, so it's something that you would need to get yourself to add onto this. You can either get it direct from the Brodit website, or you are able to find your own solution, but again, all it requires is 4 screws, which is fairly common amongst universal phone holders. So those are the Brodit clips. We are going to attach a couple of these to the cabs, assuming that we have them available, and we will cut to that for you in a moment. But if you did want to order these are now available on the Cuda website with links available to each of them in the description of this video. So let's cut to future me, I guess. Okay, so here we are in an Actros cab, and I'm going to put together the extra strength Brodit clip here. So once all is assembled, should look something like this, the gear underneath. So screw part on top with the bracket attached, and then this simply goes into there, down to there. This can be tightened now that you've got the correct length, and there it is. That should keep pretty much everything that you need in place with no struggles at all. Hopefully this gives you an idea of what the clips look like attached into a cab and how hopefully easy it is to fix them to your dashboard. And again, if you'd like to order any of them, you can do so by just checking the link in the description for your particular version. But that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, take care. I don't want to tell you how many takes this has taken, because it's a few. So, now that you've seen the clips of... Hello? You're speaking from... Who are you from, sorry? I don't know where you got my number, but I'm not interested, thank you. Sorry, spam call. Sometimes you just can't escape it, no matter how many times you block their number. So,